Hello friends, welcome to Sajjad ArtWala. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today we are going to make poster paints using pigments. The materials required for making the poster paints are pigment of your own color choice, little amount of honey. This is oil, turpentine oil and white glue. First of all, what we have to do is to remove the extra grains in the pigment. So we will brush we will try to make it smoother so the you can check whether grains are present or not by taking your finger into that, and there are no grains. Now what we have to do is to add our materials one by one. First we will add small amount of honey in it, just small amount because it is the binder. If we will bind too much then it will cause problem. Okay, we will add all our material at once. Remember, wear gloves. So as you can see, we have add another small amount of white glue. Now add small amount of turpentine oil, then we will mix it. Okay, if you think that your paint is not smooth, then you can add more turpentine oil, and I'm sure that it will not act like that. So guys, as you can see that I have made the poster paint. I have also made another yellow paint, poster paint, which I have to show that when it's complete how it's look like. It really needs some cool temperament because you have to mix again and again, check, then mix, then check, then add some material, then check. So you can see this should be the fineness of the poster paint. So I have also added this poster paint in that to show you how it will like, and it's your own choice that you can make it more thick or more thick. It will look like gummy type. Okay, before applying onto your paper, first check whether it's according to your work or not. I think it's according to my work. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you in making the poster paint.
subscribe to my channel Sajjad ArtWala